Well, hello everyone. As you can see here, this is what a broken bumper looks like. This is from a Nikko Flashback, and yeah, it's been probably played with for about 30 years now, so some of that plastic gets pretty brittle. So what do? Well, if you're like me, what you do is you hop on a website called Tinkercad, and you start designing a new one. So I got out my digital caliber and measured some measurements, and this is what I came up with. Alright, now when I mounted it on the RC, which you'll see right here, you can see it actually hangs down a little bit further than I thought. I need to bring in the sides because this bumper is going to fit basically up in a groove where it'll then be flush and a little bit higher up and give you better ground clearance. But this is just the first draft, and you can see the holes for the screws line up just fine, and the overall length and width of the bumper is about right. Pretty good, sturdy material here on the 3D print job. So stay tuned for more. This is just the first revision. You can see, yeah, it cuts down on the ground clearance quite a bit there. Anyways, if you like what you see, go ahead and click subscribe and send us a comment.